In this video, I'll show you how to enable virtualization on your Windows computer. First, open the Start menu and search for Control Panel, then open it. Now click on Programs. Next, select Turn Windows Features on or off. A new window will appear with a list of Windows features. Scroll down and find Hyper-V, then check the box next to it. After that, continue scrolling and also enable Windows Hypervisor Platform. Once both options are checked, click OK. Windows will now search for the required files and install the necessary features. When the installation is complete, you'll see a prompt asking you to restart your computer. Click Restart Now. After your PC restarts, virtualization will be enabled on your system. That's it. You have successfully enabled virtualization on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.